Hello, folks. Adam here. Welcome to the Facebook Live. Today, I just want to give you a short little teaser about what is coming up in tomorrow's workshop called the 3 Steps to Win High Value Clients on LinkedIn. So, if you haven't registered yet, the details will be added to the description below. But for now, let's jump into what we are going to cover. It's going to be quite informal. I'm going to do it on Zoom. I'm also going to attempt to live stream it to Facebook at the same time. We'll see how we go there. Now, what we're going to do, we are focused on how to win a new client on LinkedIn in the next 60 days. Now, this is something that my clients have been doing, and I want to share with you the process that they have taken to do so. So, first thing, what we want to do, 3 things we're going to look at, 3 challenges we are going to help you overcome. Now, very often when we are thinking about LinkedIn and wondering how on earth we're going to win any business from it, firstly, we're worried that we have no leads. So that's one of the challenges that I know we face. No leads. Sure, we might be connected with hundreds, if not thousands, of sort of random strangers who we've never contacted in our life, although we are a first degree contact. But how then do we nurture that and harness that so that we've actually got qualified leads? That's the first thing I'm going to take you through tomorrow. There's 3 components that are very, very important for that to happen. Now, second thing that we struggle with a lot of the time, particularly on LinkedIn and often in general, is that our sales process is awkward. In fact, we often don't like to go there because we feel we're just going to be like everybody else that's spamming and pitching people on LinkedIn. But of course, it's a business platform. People are there to do business, to build relationships and everything else. So what we need to do is have a process. Now, I am going to show you how to turn your awkward process and actually make it elegant. There's 3 steps to this, and I will reveal what they are on tomorrow's workshop. And to go back to this first line of the triangle, if you're faced with having no leads, I'm going to show you how you can get qualified leads. Qualified leads. All right, so that can't really be seen that well, so let me just change that up a tiny little bit. Put a bit of a white background there for you. So we are going to show you how to get, in fact, green's not the best color on a green screen, nor is that width. So let's just type that in now, qualified leads. So folks, there are loads and loads of ideal future clients on LinkedIn. You know it, I know it, but turn that off for a sec. But what we need to do is identify who they are, put our best foot forward, and then when we do transition to a sales conversation, we know what to say and to follow a process so that we have a reliable, proven way to do it. Now, folks, third area where we often feel uncomfortable on LinkedIn, and the reason why most of us, the most we do is we send an outreach connection message and then leave it at that, is because we don't know what to say. We are completely bamboozled with What do I say to some stranger on LinkedIn once I connect? Yet, when we're in real life, we are pretty comfortable going to business events, going to social events, and striking up a conversation with people. Yet, it strikes fear into many of us when we hit LinkedIn. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you tomorrow. The process for turning no leads, transitioning that to having qualified leads, going from having an awkward or non-existent sales process to having an elegant sales process, and thirdly, from not knowing what to say to having compelling content, not only in your private messages, but in your content that you publish publicly. So there you have it, folks. That is a teaser for tomorrow's workshop. The details will all be down below in the description if you haven't registered already. I've invited a bunch of people from the Facebook group. If you didn't get one, sorry. Only had a limit, I think, of a few hundred, 500 maybe. But the link to join is down below. I'll also put the Zoom link so you can just join straight away without registering. You all know me. I know you. So just jump on the Zoom link if that is easier for you. Now, I look forward to seeing you there. The other thing, last workshop, I had a prize for whoever took the best notes. I'm doing it again. The prize can be a hard copy of my book, but I know most of you have it already. So you've got the choice of a book that you can choose. I'll send it to you, or I can surprise you and share with you one of the books that I've really enjoyed lately, or I can send you a bottle of wine. Totally cool, whatever you choose. I don't mind, but I love having a few interactive fun things on the workshop. So the way that's going to work, there's no workbook this time, but what you're going to do if you want to be in the running is take lots of notes on your notepad or on your iPad and screenshot it, and you'll send it to me afterwards via Messenger. And whoever's taken the best notes gets their choice of the prize. So how does that sound, team? If that is appealing to you, I look forward to seeing you on the workshop. 3 steps to win high-value clients on LinkedIn in under 60 days, just like my coaching clients have been doing. All right, see you there.